Hello everyone, I am Gregor Trasendra Pranaja, a final year mechatronic engineering student from Polytechnic Industri Atmi Cikarang. And today, I'm going to tell you about my career plan as an engineering graduate. In this presentation, I will talk about my experiences, my skill, my interests, and more. I was born in Bogor and now I am currently living in Cikarang while studying at Polytechnic Industri Agni Cikarang. At campus, I have gained knowledge in automation systems, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and mechanical engineering, especially automation and electrical engineering because my major is really learning that. Okay, next is after graduation as an engineering student, I plan to start my career in the engineering field, particularly in automation, manufacturing, or industrial technology. I want to work in a company where I can apply the knowledge and practical skills I gained during my studies while continuing to learn from experienced professionals. Okay, the next is the company that I want to join. Okay, the position I'm interested is in tech field because it combines monitoring the machine, technical problem solving, maintenance, and troubleshooting. I want to work at Indofood, PT Indofood CBP Sukses Makmur Tbk at the noodle division. According to the job requirement, the company is looking for candidates with knowledge of electrical systems, industrial automation, troubleshooting skills, and have knowledge in PLC programming, as we can see. Okay, so why do I want to work here? Because it's the same with my study at the campus, like PLC, monitoring, and maintenance. So I want to give my knowledge and my energy to this company, and I hope I will get more experience while working here. Okay, next. This is my experience that I get at my campus. The first one is automation industrial production line. Okay, this is about practice for how to program dual PLC and to know what industry type of production line. Okay, the next second experience is robot arm programming. This practice is how to operate or program robotic arm for pick and place item to the for pick and place item. Okay, next is the third experience is full line production simulation. This is to develop and simulate a full production line system using PLC programming in order to understand industrial automation process. Okay, next the fourth is experience solar panel monitoring. This is for measuring and displaying the voltage, current, and power in real time in order to improve efficiency, performance analysis, and energy management. Okay, the next I will explain the strength. The strength in STAR method. First, the situation. During my academic project, especially when working on automation and monitoring system. I often face situations where the system did not work as expected. So the task, my responsibility was to identify the problem and make sure the system could operate properly according to the project requirements. Okay, the action I do is I use my troubleshooting ability by checking the system step by step, starting from the electrical wiring, sensor input, PLC program, and communication between devices. I also discuss with my teammates to find the best solution for making it work. Next is result. As a result, we were able to solve the problems and complete the project successfully. This experience developed my ability to analyze problems systematically and work under challenge. Next, I want to talk about my weakness. One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes spend too much time perfecting my work because I want everything to be accurate while developing an engineering project. I repeatedly modified the system even after it was functioning correctly. I still want to modify to make it perfect. I learned to prioritize important improvements, set deadlines, and focus on completing tasks efficiently. Now I can balance quality with productivity and completing project on schedule. Okay, the next, the STAR method challenge situation during my one of my automation project. We faced a problem where the system did not respond correctly after integrating sensor and the controller. The task is my responsibility was to find the cause of the problem and make the system operate properly. So I take action. I check the system systematically by reviewing the pairing, sensor signal, PLC program, and communication setting. I also test each part individually to identify the source of the problem. As a result, we successfully found the problem and fixed the system. From this experience, I learned the importance of structured troubleshooting and teamwork. Next is the STAR method of leadership. The situation during a group project, every member had different ideas about the system design. So the task as one of the team members, I helped coordinate discussion so we could reach an agreement. Action. I take action. I encourage everyone to explain their ideas, compare to the advance of each solution, and divide responsibilities according to each person's strength. As the result, our team completed the project successfully and everyone contributed effectively. This experience improved my communication and teamwork skills. Okay, now we will talk about my plan for the 5 years in the next 5 years. Okay, the first one is gain practical experience industrial automation. I believe that continuous learning and practical experience are the keys to becoming a professional engineer. In the first few years after graduation, I want to join a reputable company where I can gain hands-on experience working with industrial automation systems. I hope to be involved in real engineering projects such as machine installation, maintenance, troubleshooting, and system improvement. These experiences will help me understand how industrial operations work and improve my problem-solving abilities. At the same time, I plan to continuously improve my technical skill. I want to deepen my knowledge as these are becoming increasingly important in modern manufacturing and Industry 4.0. I also plan to learn more about engineering technologies and software used in industrial automation so that I can keep up with technology advancement. In addition to gaining work experience, I intend to earn professional certification related to automation and electrical engineering. This certification will not only strengthen my technical competence but also demonstrates my commitment to continuous professional development. By the end of the 5 years, I hope to become a skilled and reliable engineer who can work independently and contribute to improving the industrial processes. I also aim to take on greater responsibilities such as leading engineering projects, mentoring junior engineers, and collaborating with multidisciplinary teams to achieve company goals. Okay, so the conclusion, I believe I have built a strong foundation through my education, practical training, and engineering projects. Although I still have much to learn, I am confident that my willingness to learn, adaptability, and dedication will help me grow into a professional engineer. To achieve my dream, I will continue improving my technical knowledge, communication skill, and practical experience while always maintaining a positive attitude toward learning. Okay, in the end, thank you for listening to my career plan as an engineering graduate. Thank you.